My name's Sergeant Brandon Bonfanti. I'm with the 1st of the 149th Delta Company Maintenance. I work on Apache helicopters. I'm a 15 Romeo. Range for the M4s. We did qualifying with, first we zeroed, then we qualified with the M4s, and also the M9s, I'm sorry. Well, for me, the M9 was my first time going through qualifying with that pistol, and it felt good going through. I mean, it being my first time, it was good. I mean, they gave us a little briefing on how it works and everything. Then coming over here to the zero and qual, everything was fluid. Go through, we shoot, and I mean, honestly, you come out here, you shoot good, you know you're a good soldier. These ranges get us ready to spawn for the nation whenever, I mean, if worse were to come to worse, something were to go down, it's always stay prepared. It doesn't matter what your MOS is, what you do as a job. Your number one job, your number one role in the Army is a soldier. And to be able to shoot a weapon and do these tasks out here, that's very important. These things, they help bring us together because it gives us leadership roles without us actually being in a leadership role. We see somebody that's struggling or anything, or if we see somebody that may need a little bit of help coming through, we all pick each other up. Everybody's like, it's a group thing, even though it's an individual task. So I feel as if just being out here doing things, it helps us as a leader. So these ranges, they get us prepared for just about anything that, I mean, honestly, coming out here, whenever you're out here, it's peaceful, it's nice, it's relaxing. You come out here, you fire, and it's just like a little bit of escape, right? So you come out here, you have a mission, you get it done, and it gets you prepared just for the next task. Gets your mindset straight. These range sharpen my warrior skills by getting out here, doing the basic warrior task of being able to shoot an M4, M16, and qualify, and making sure that we're still able to do our number one job as a U.S. soldier. I feel like my place is somewhere in the middle of the pack. There's some areas where I do struggle, but there's also some areas that I feel like I do well at. Some of it's foreign, but a lot of this stuff, it's good to get practice in.